Well, happy Cinco de Mayo, everybody. And, well, as you see, from all my good reviews on good products lately, I had to inevitably get back to the bottom of the roller coaster at some point. So here tonight we are reviewing the Budweiser and Clamato Chelada, which is a shortened and anglicized version of the Spanish word michelada, which is like a Mexican beer drink. Thus this pairing today because of Cinco de Mayo. And you see we're pairing it with tacos, which it actually does pretty well, but and michelada is a drink where you mix beer with Clamato, which is a Mott's product consisting of tomato juice and clam broth. I know, sounds very appetizing, doesn't it? And then they, as you see on the glass on the can here, they like stick a lime wedge in it here, and they rim the glass with salt and lime usually, and that's just what one is, just for the uninitiated here. And we're going to be reviewing it in my Unibrew Blanche de Chamblay tulip glass here. Actually looks kind of pretty in that glass, considering. Okay. So going to the appearance, well, like I said, it looks good in the glass, right? That's part of it. Got a fair amount of carbonation. Oh, by the way, and this is 5% alcohol by volume, and it says, with salt and lime, the perfect combination. Well, I don't know about that. Budweiser beer with natural flavor and certified color. Well, I don't know about that either. But this is, if you look carefully, you can, I don't know, in this light, maybe see some chunks of tomatoes and maybe a trace of clam broth. You can focus the can again while I describe the aroma. Well, you can smell a little bit of standard Budweiser in there. And you smell the lime. You only detect on the nose the faintest amount of the Clamato and tomatoes and seafood. Yeah. It smells pretty sweet, actually. Alright, cheers for, excuse me, going right into the taste. Essentially, again, to smell it is to taste it. I still think you, excuse me, it is a little bit sweet and salty and almost cloying. It's not triggering my gag reflex or making me go or anything like if you saw my review a few years ago of the Bud Light and Clamato Chelada, that I gave a 0. Actually, I think if you're going to drink one of those two, I think this is the way to go with that. But still, because it is a little on the cloying side, and not getting too many it actually leans more towards the Budweiser side than the Clamato side. It doesn't taste too complex, so this I think I'll actually go so far as to give this a 2 out of 5, but that's it. I'm probably never buying this again, but excuse me, it is an interesting, as I said, taco pairing for Cinco de Mayo, but that's about the only saving grace for it. Alright, 2 out of 5 for Budweiser and Clamato Chelada. Happy Cinco de Mayo and cheers.